One simple way to make money on Telegram is by flipping Telegram accounts. In this video, I'll teach you how you can grow Telegram accounts using Telegram bots and make money out of it. This is very legit and very simple. Watch this video to the end and you'll discover all the secrets in doing this. Let's get started. To make money using this strategy, you need Telegram group with active members because we want to flip Telegram group with active members. There are two options here. You can either pay someone to do this for you on Fiverr, where the person creates a Telegram group and gives you active members and you sell, or you use a service that I'm about to introduce to you. It is very simple, and this service is Telegram Group Scrapper. This is a bot or a software that looks at active Telegram groups and pull them into your own group for you. This is very legit and lots of people are doing this and they are making lots of money. So you can also do it. So you just visit telegramgroupscrapper.com. It is very simple. You read about it. What is it? It's an excellent way to find active members for your Telegram group. There is no use if you have Telegram group members and they are not active. No one will even buy it. So it is very important that you get active members who will contribute to topics. So this is very important. Once you have a niche, you look at the group in that niche and you create your own group that is based on that niche, and you can scrap or you pull members from that group into your own group. It is very simple and easy. Once you come to the terms of using this software, after reading all the advantages and disadvantages, you can hit on the download button. Just follow the simple instructions. You provide them with an email address and you click on download. Go ahead to download the software for you. Install your software. So the next stage is to start our software and begin to scrap members from a group of our choice. So you need to research the group that you want to scrap and you get the group link because you're going to use this in the software and it's going to pull all active members into your new group for you. Run the software as an administrator to get all the admin privileges. Then you go ahead and log in with your mobile number. Then it is time to enter the link that you want to scrap the members from and click on export members. This will export all the IDs of the members of that group for you. You know that this software is seamless, so you can do all your filtering and select the best active members. It is very simple. Just follow this step by step. Look at that. It is scrapping all the members, save them into a CSV file for you. That is it. As simple as that. You can open the file and check all the members. See, all these members are being scrapped for you in a CSV file. Now that we have our file created for us, a file full of IDs of members of a Telegram group, we can now go ahead and import these subscribers into our group. And this time we're going to use another tool or software called Telegram Add Member. Okay, it is also a service from the scrapping tool, but this one is used in adding members into the group. So you visit telegramaddmember.com. You click on the download button and you go ahead and download and install. It's the same process as the scrapping tool. Once you're done, then we go ahead and import our members into our Telegram group. Let's go ahead, download it and follow all the steps that we need to. Now that you finish installing the software, the Telegram member adder, I want you to run the software as an administrator and follow the rest of the steps. As you can see from the steps, it will add all the members to your group. This is very simple, and you can do this and get active members in your Telegram group. So the next step is to sell this group. So there is a video on how you can sell your Telegram groups, but you can also do this by simply visiting fiverr.com. Sign up as a seller and sell this service. You can also check in the description of this video. There is a link to a video on how you can sell Telegram channels and make lots of money. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of such videos. I'll meet you in the next video.